So hello friends, today we will see that how to add novel editor to our Next.js website. And what is novel editor? You can search it here. This is a cool editor where you can use Markdown to edit your post. Just give it slash and heading, whatever your heading is, and behind the scene it is using Markdown to parse and everything. You can write Markdown also, just like dash this something. Okay, and use tab. And this is your codes, and this is a Notion-style whatever this is editor. And you can also integrate AI with this using ++ command, or give it a slash, and YouTube, Twitter, image, code. And I think they disabled AI in the free version, but if you write ++ or something, then you can use AI. You can see in the GitHub documentation of them, and here is the video. So this is the video, and we can also upload and add image here. You have to tap this, and we can add our logo. And behind the scene it promotes and uses the Vercel Blob storage. See the URL, and this is the Markdown format to show an image. So but in this video we are going to use Pics Shade for web image hosting. And you can also search this to get to our article. This is our article, so close it, and here is the data where you can use. And this website article.set.cool, this is also made using Notion-style editing. See this, continue writing, image upload, etc. So these are the things. Let's close this and start our documentation, start our video that how to add novel editor in our Next.js website. So for that you can check out this article. There are so many text editors in the market. You can see this, the rich text editors, but the novel is different. See, this is so much manual thing, so we are not going to do this behind the scene uses HTML, but Markdown is the professional way to write articles, and it also saves from XHR, cross scripting attacks, etc. So that was the thing. For that we can go to documentation and simply quick start, and we can install novel. But for this tutorial we are going to use novel lightweight, which is a fork of this package only, but this package, but we are going to use this because it is easy to set up and it's just one click install. So let's get back to our article. You can copy this npm install on novel lightweight, and this is my previous project I already set up for you. Let me run npm run dev. localhost, and let me show you the preview what we are going to build. This is our editor. You can type something, and that's just for line break, these things and so many other things. You can search for Markdown editor online, and you have to run this command. And if you install Novel Lightweight, I already installed in my Next.js project, so I am showing you again. And let's start writing. Let's copy this all the markdown, and let's control all 2 times and paste it here. So this is the view of Novel, and you can use libraries like what was that? Let me search for Markdown JS. Mark.js. It's not that. It was starting from S. Parser JS library, and it is Showdown. Yes, I remembered the name, Showdown. And Showdown, yes. After saving the markdown to your database, you can grab the markdown and parse it to show in your website, just like this website is doing. And this website also uses the markdown behind the scenes. This is the markdown, but editor is very simple. And we are also going to add a file storage, image uploading ability in our app. For that we are going to use Pics Shade, and this is the website. You can also find it on Product Hunt, and this is the website. You can get the article. You can create or write any article here. Let's close it for now, and this is the website. Let's go to our dashboard, and here is, you just have to search Pics Shade, host your images. So we are going to use this service for hosting our images. Let's close it all. So first step is to create a next tab. If you have next tab, skip it. You have to install the Novel Lightweight, and then you have to create a editor component that will contain your all editor data, and you can import it on your main page, just like I did it. And this is a function to upload images and return the URL back using Pics Shade. And here is the pricing plans. It's free up to 10k images for you. And you can check out here the pricing plans. Let's upload some images here. Uploading image. This is just a demo view, and you will get the URL of your image direct link, and this is a CDN optimized link. When you refresh it, it will load very faster because it is cached on the server now. And these are the things. You just have to create an account here. Let me show you. Log out, and join here. I'm using GitHub, and for now let's focus on novel first, and you don't have to do anything, just search for novel lightweight and go to the first medium article and copy this code. Just copy it. I also already did it, but I am showing you from scratch. Edit v2, then page.js, h1 editor, and let's create a new component, edit.js, rfc edit, okay, and paste it here. You can also pass states from here and manage it. That's a Next.js thing, so I'm not going to tell you here. So what these functions do, let me show you. So this is an editor imported from Novel Lightweight, and you can check out this. It is not clickable now. Maybe I have to reload. Yes, so this is the function. Let's close this, and the default value, you can set the default value here. If you are adding an edit option for your post, you can get the post from database and set the thing here. And disable local storage. If you will disable it, wait, you can save your storage. And if we'll enable our local storage, then it will store whatever you have edited, and when you will reload, it will still store the data. And on update, it will set the value of data to the current value what you have entered. And this is handle image upload, that will upload your image using file and accept a URL as a string from here. And if nothing will be returned, you can show this URL that failed upload. You can change this also, but for this tutorial, in Next.js 14 you have to make it a client component. Use client and import use state, and I will go to Pics Shade documentation. Go to Pics Shade. And after going to API key, you have to get an API key first from the dashboard, and you can upload image using this function. Using form data, you just have to create a form data, append your file, path, tags. These two things are optional. The main thing is file, whatever you have to upload, and we will create a fetch call on upload and pass our API key with the 40 form data that will return a JSON response that will look like this, and we have to grab the URL or one more thing has been added, that is CDN. So you can get two things from there. The updated thing is here, I think. Okay, so here is the upload image function. We can directly copy it, and I already explained you what these things will do, and we don't have to use this. So this is the thing we will get in return. So we just have to focus on the URL, whatever we will get in the return. So add let image is equal to await and upload function, upload image function, and we'll pass file here and create a function here, const upload image async file, and that will do this thing. But we have copied the function and explained it already. Let's remove this. Okay, so this is the function. Let's make it bigger. Okay, so this will return something, and we have to set our API key. Let's go to our dashboard, and we have to go to API keys, that is here. Let me show you from a start. Go to API keys, and we can generate a new API key. Let's name it novel light, and for YouTube tutorial purpose, and generate API key, and this is our API key, and we will copy it and paste the API key here. And the best thing is we have to create an environment variable, or you can also we are using client component, so this will be exposed the API key, but you can use server actions, another thing. That's a Next.js thing. Or you can create routes. Okay, so let me import it here, Pics Shade API. So this will return us an image, and if we will get image.url, then we will return image.url. Okay, and we have to modify it little bit, that is this should return a JSON file. So this is response, if response dot okay, let me return const we have to return the result here, return a result. So I think we are all set to go, and let's go back to our and go to edit post page, and this is our edit page, and we can use to-do list. Whatever you want to do, just write it. And this is our edit v2 page. We have to go to version 2. That will not look like this, and this is because we have to set the basic CSS things. So let me do it. Okay, so this is the things, and if we want to select anything, and we have to link it, bold it, italic, underscore, whatever you want to do, just do it from here. So these are the things, and you can also console log the data to see whatever is what is happening. here. Let's inspect it and go to console, and these are the behind the scene. This is a markdown, and the markdown is pressed like here, like this. Let me show you the image uploading example. Let's go to image and upload our logo.png, and if you will open image in new tab, it's a base 64 now, but it's uploading. And after being uploaded, let me inspect it to console and network. Maybe the upload function is not working. Let me check the error. Logo API key not found. Okay. Process NB Pics Shade API key, and let API key is equal to so I think all things are set, but the you can check out the code from this edit page also, and this is properly working. I can show you edit page, and let me inspect and some code here, and upload an image, logo. We go to network and response. This is the image URL we got in the response, and you can open this image in new tab, and this is the image we got. So that was the tutorial for adding the novel editor to our website. API cannot found, this is the error, and maybe yes, this is the error. We are doing a blunder here. Otherwise we can do one thing, that remove this, because we already have API key on the upside, or we can directly specify the API key here, just like this, and now this will work. For sure this will work. So the image is uploaded now, and we can see this image now. Close it, and this is the image, and you can also see the CDN link. That is the optimized link, and this is the way you can add a novel editor with a free image uploading service, that is Pics Shade here. And that's all for the video. Thank you for the watching the video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on GitHub, then Pics Shade. This is my GitHub account, and you can create a new discussion here, or just go to how to's and create a new issue or new discussion here. Thanks for watching, and the all code will be provided on our Pics Shade account organization, and for our previous videos all the codes are already here, so you can check out from here. and this is our website. You can go to YouTube videos and check out other videos Next.js related, data fetching client side, add commits system, free database hosting, and many other things of Next.js. Thanks for watching.